welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we're making an omelette with a breakfast potato, but we're focusing more on a breakfast potato recipe. And the omelette, I'm just making whatever I have here: baby potato, white potato, and red potatoes. What I'm cutting here, cutting it into quarters, and I'm using here the wavy knife, which is it give nice cut to the potato, like that's how it look like, and at the same time they cook faster. Put on the side. Potato is already pre-washed. Little bit olive oil, salt and pepper. Give it a little mix, and we're gonna put it on the side. So we're gonna start with the bacon first. So put the stove on the medium. Small chopped bacon. Voila, nice. Look at this. That cook. Now let's add the onion and the potatoes. Give it a little mix, and we're gonna cover it for about 10 minutes, and we'll check on it after 10 minutes. Beautiful, look at this. Nice, let's give it a little mix. It's been there for 12 minutes. Nice. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna uncover it and let it saute a little bit. So at this time we'll be making the omelet. So let's see what I have here. I have some asparagus. Lovely. Peppers. I have some mushroom. Spinach. Whatever vegetable you have in your fridge you can use. Stove on the medium here. Olive oil. Nice, look at this. Here you go. Give it a little salt and pepper. Voila. Now, potato looking so yummy here. So now the potato almost ready. So the final touch for the potato: dry parsley, paprika, granulated garlic. Give it a little mix, and we'll be good to go in a few minutes. Voila, our vegetable, nice and sauteed. Now for the omelette, I'm using 3 eggs here. Now I'm gonna use my little gadget here. Beautiful. Salt. Your stove on the medium high. Little bit olive oil, and it's ready to go. Just there we go. Now if there's a lot of egg liquid still on the top, try to move it on the side of the frying pan, or just grab your frying pan, just turn it. There we go. Let's check in our potatoes here. Oh, lovely. Look at this. Nice crunchy bacon. Can't wait to start with it. Nice. Now the moment of the truth. Hoopa! Now I'm gonna put the vegetable we sauteed. Just beautiful. Look at this. And the potato beside it. Wow. You know me, I can't wait, eh? Wow. Oh my God. You should try this breakfast potato, this recipe with the bacon, and unbelievable. Unbelievable good. So, enjoy your breakfast potato and a vegetarian omelette. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.